moving east at 10 miles per hour. Wind gusts in excess of 30 miles per hour are possible with this storm. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to Little Creek, Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located near New Point Comfort,
EAS.
moving northeast at 20 knots.
That's good.
Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Point Comfort, Nassawadox Reef, Wolf Trap, Rappahannock Range Light, Rappahannock Light, Plantation Light, Mobjack Bay, Quinns Island Reef, Stingray Point, Hole in the Wall, York Spit Reef, Buoy 36, the South, Cherry Stone Reef and Cape Charles Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.